what the Lord has done? Can you see what the Lord has done? What we waited for has come to pass. See what the Lord has done.
2025, God is so good. I got a new job. I was promoted. I got a that's a wonderful job. That's not a many blessings. I do have Coco 2 days to go. In 2025, you are still asking for another blessing. If God created the heaven and the earth in 6 days, how much is my small life that cannot bless me in 2 days? I beg, shift. I understand many blessings.
What the Lord has done. Can you see what the Lord